Hi, my name is V.
And hi, my name is Alexia, and welcome to Attucks House. Attucks is one of the dorms here at Cats Academy Boston. In Attucks House, we have twin rooms, so you're going to have a roommate.
It's a great way to make friends. The bed is really comfortable.
And you'll have your own desk to study at. Every room has its own private bathroom. You've got your own closet and storage under the bed. All of our delicious meals are provided by the cafeteria, which is a short walk away. My favorite thing in the cafeteria are the desserts, especially the cheesecakes.
All of our dorms have a common area where you can study, relax with your friend, watch movie.
Welcome to Cats Boston!